están matando en el rebote de ataque. 5 players in the rebound. Now that Yannick is 4, I need guards in the rebound. ¡Rebote! 2 jugadores aquí a hablar. Everybody. ¿Cuántos rebotes van a coger? We are winning by 10 points, 3 minutes, Venga, chavales. Me parece que ya está el partido, no está el partido. We are thinking too much in offense, we need to think from defense. Defense, spend foul. Play by play, we are close, see? Venga, don't rush, rebound, keep pushing the pace. Venga, follow the game plan. How do you expect to compete the game? Without playing defense, then don't miss layups and open shots. Raise the tone on the defense, more responsibility.